In this video, we're going to investigate the concept of categories. Now, categories are a way of further organizing your documents within a specific repository. For instance, I've just run a search for documents for the client City of Mesa and the matter general. And I might want to further organize these documents down into a draft status or a final status. In my column header display, if I'm going to be using categories, I'd want to add that column information. So just left click in an open area of the header bar and select categories. Now to save that and make that a permanent part of search results and also maybe folder displays, you'll want to go up to the Style Save button. Choose to save that layout for folder list and then also maybe for search results. Click on Save, and now that will be a permanent part of your column display across the top. The first thing that I'm going to do is show you how to assign a category to a document that already exists within the Worldox system. And one of the easiest ways now is to just right-click within the category column, select Category, Public, and I'm going to mark this one as being a draft. Now, if you're going to be a regular category user, you might want to go to the toolbar, right-click, choose a Pen button, Edit, Assign to Categories. Click on OK, and this button will now allow you to very easily apply categories to documents within your document repository. So I'm going to select my next document, click on the Assign to Categories button, and assign this one to draft also. If you would like to assign categories to multiple documents, select those documents, go to the category column, right-click within the category column, select Category, Public, Draft. I'm going to go to the final documents within my list, select them. I'll deselect the other three, and I'm going to assign those the final status. Okay, so that's how to assign categories to documents that already exist within Worldox. I'm going to show you how you can turn on a feature so that when you're saving a document, you're automatically prompted to assign it to a category. If you'll go up to Edit in the menu bar, down to Preferences, and across to Worldox. Right at the top you see category options, and I'm going to set this so that on saving a file I am prompted to apply a category. So all I did here was double click on that entry. I'm going to select Yes, click on OK, and now it's set for me. So let's test this. I have a document. I'm going to go save the document now, give it a name, assign it to the client matter, doc type, click on OK, and now you're prompted to apply the appropriate category setting. Draft, select, OK, and now it's set. I'm going to close that document. I'm going to return to Worldox, and I'm going to run that same search, City of Mesa. I'm going to apply the tags to show only the documents in the old Word format and the newer format. And you see now at the bottom of my list the category test document I just created. Now, one other benefit of applying categories to documents is when you use the Tags tab, we now have one additional way to very quickly filter into view just those draft documents or just the final documents. Be sure to watch the video on editing your own category list found within your video library.